Hello there, my friend. This is Kelly Schaefer of TaskComplete.com and also the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I personally help people build profitable concierge businesses across the globe and become industry leaders. And actually why I'm here today is I've actually put together a concierge starter kit because like many of you, when I first started, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know what I didn't actually know. I did not know how to follow up with prospects. I didn't know how to follow up after networking events. I didn't know what the heck I was supposed to put in my sales kit. You know, the books out there tell you put together a sales kit, and yet you're like, well, what am I supposed to do? I don't know what to put in a sales kit. I don't know what a sales kit is. I don't even know what kind of insurance that I'm supposed to need. So I put together this brand new concierge starter kit with you in mind. And whether you are brand new in business and you're just getting your feet wet and you're trying to figure out if this is the avenue that you want to go, or even if you've been in business for a while and you've spent so much time actually in the business that you're not putting the time on the business and creating some of these documents and flyers and forms that you get to use over and over again, which help you sell your service and be of a bigger impact in your community. So I put together this starter kit, and in this starter kit, I have over a dozen forms, flyers, informational pieces that we actually currently still today use in my growing, thriving, multi-six-figure concierge business. And the reason why I am providing them to you is because I know how hard it is to try to think of things from scratch, like, oh, what am I supposed to do? So I wanted to personally make it available to you so you get to see exactly what it is that we use, the exact forms that we send people when they're interested in our services, the exact forms that we send people after our networking events. How do I follow up after networking? This is your solution. And I put it all together because I will tell you that when I first started, most of the information out there online was very generic. It was very generic, like this is what you do, this is an intake form. And what I did is we compiled it and created something that we legitimately still use today. It's how we track business, it's how we do business, it's how we promote our business. And I put it all together in the starter kit for you. And there's even a video where I actually go through step by step each individual document that you will get in your starter kit so that you know exactly how, when, and why you're going to use each of these documents. In addition to the starter kit, I'm also giving you access to 2 brand new trainings that I just did on insurance. So again, whether you're just starting out and you're not even sure how to get insurance, what kind of insurance you need, where to go to get insurance, or you've been in business for a while, there are a lot of things about your insurance that you might not even know about or even think about because no one ever shared that information with you before. So I really hope you dive into the starter kit and grab the bonus Insurance 101 and 102 trainings. This way you can literally implement and use this information immediately, like starting today in your business. All right, I'm rooting for you, my friend. All right, go change the world.